Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Parksville, local and long distance movers near me. When it's time to hire a cheap Parksville moving company, you need 3 Movers. We offer the best local and long distance moving services at affordable prices. Our team knows how to make sure your relocation goes as planned. With our help, you can move your household goods, furniture, business equipment, and so much more. You get the right long distance moving options with us, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If it's time to relocate 100 miles away or further, you need our long distance moving services. We make it very easy for you to get the moving help you need, no matter how far you need to move. A Canada moving company can make it very easy to handle your local move. With the right team, you won't have to worry about damaged items or injury from lifting. Instead, you can relax and let the professionals handle everything. 3 Movers offers the most efficient local moving services. Our team provides you with everything you need to make moving easier. Even if it's just a move down the street, a move that might take you all week, we can get done in less than a day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Parksville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.